You are watching Kasapa Media.
Abusia Hopeson Adorye Ababa Journey the beef between Anas Remeyaw Anas and Efesu so Canada Compreko Japan Abusia de ensem and a Hopeson Adorye eka or the boa bako akum no mamiensa and some bi F Anas and Canada Compreko Japan ehun sanso so and address afo yes eye Canada Compreko Japan baby mama address afo or no so agene de sanso so and Asante Bediatuo ane achem mafia so no omonso so adwomo de na busia eye Hopeson Adorye semenka na memfa nkyere Ghana man ni wiase afa na nyina say sa fake news na nenam say eye Anas awini eye $18 million no nokre bia nim ni nyina eye bosiremuka there is no way judgment bi beko ete sa na nye nokre da na emom ewode enti amana basa no nkyere say ewo se Canada Compreko Japan etua sika ede ema Anas Remeyaw Anas na busunya de enti ena ama Hopeson Adorye kasa ansem ya haguso Kasapa Media film na adwan ya mesrewo so be subscribe you like na share na foforo ntimi enya bi enhwemfa ema yen owie na woto na nsem so na wo kire mu se Asante Bediatuo sisie ya amne kasa de wo se achemafies no atimi akwakofa sunsum nipa bi ede na free Ethiopia ede na be pim wo Ghana. Yes, so omeya de was here for 14 good days. Said the beya or no Hopeson Adorye no, ebe bubu na busia. Hopeson say omupa omumbra me panacho. Na sente sare ade omu ye ni nyina no. Ete se watobo e de aboso no ataso. Enya ne hwe. Owo so de ho anabo ne da baabi. Eti abusia nkwe. Ne enkonkotie ne nsam ne bi emfamla.
Anas de no Anas ne Kenya Japan de. Okay, any mami nti on that.
Good. Enti niedika yenchia omomhwe nyina na minianso
oye deputy CEO de ma student loan trust fund
ahofe na babrita
see wo fata na kan bebisa ne se obo bi da akode na enokre se mama deputy CEO no
airport I'm saying okay
but se CEO no wo ho ne ye
no wo
adetia
on the say president Mahama
okay
on the decide who should be there, who should not be there. Now, Anas versus Kende Japan.
Yeah.
On defamation. Sa case ya din Ghana. Ama court ato Anas ne suit na guse asemwa kan kai no.
Yeah.
On defamation no kwan.
Yeah, sure.
Ema judge no describe Anas say investigative terrorist. Then no anomokaye or say Asante Defamation more.
Yeah.
I know Thomas am record.
Say Bass Anas no number month.
Yes. What they call US. Na US system no. Ya na jury no a dozen.
Yeah.
Nti omo put to 8 member.
Yeah, 8 member jury. Yeah.
I know mo ye. Na jury bia no judge na okra asem no emma direction.
Okay.
Your mamo terms of reference.
Yes.
What you should do, what you should not do. Ano omoye ade no. Eti jury di wie ni case no. Na chese omatra omo bounce. Akwa awodo niam bia nka omo need that you know.
Yeah.
Number 2 Canada Japan the evidence or the call especially the court ruling near day and say omobotie no omantie.
Oh really?
Yes. Eti omoba beyade no the Japan lawyer raise mistra.
Okay.
Say there may be ankoyi. Judge no sustain that you know of the mistra. Number 2 obisa jury no say punitive measures near there na almost ya all the way 8 million ya all the way 5 and ya all the way 5 into all 18 million.
Yeah.
Na judge ne say
You are watching Kasapa Media.
Eti okaye na omoka say e bia ye suggest anasa afi ni e ba be hwa nka problem nim.
Yeah.
Eti omoka sa no say omako beyond what he directed them to do. Eti judge no dismiss jury. Now, jury decision no enye final judgment.
Okay.
Enye final judgment. The publication e course oni ade nyina no eye propaganda.
I see.
Propaganda. Eti judge no amomo 30 days for Ken's lawyers to submit or more argument and I say opinion whatever. Say juma no mo ye no eye mistra.
Okay.
Anu ama announce lawyer so say 30 days say ono so and submit say enye mistra. Eti ho no mo na answer judge no betena say. Na wama you can say final judgment
on the case, on the defamation case.
It's not in record of the court.
Okay.
I say your judgment is say the Japan you're finding no 18 million.
So where from the 18 million issue? $18 million.
Nipa na onu esiu ye no. O esiu defamation was what the damages of a can say
$80 million.
80 million. Na media me can't be about law. I don't know. But lawyers, you know, when you say omunimpa, surgery, or more make a decision, it's not a judgment. Until a judge reads a judgment and say, I've awarded you this. Now, some mistrial a year or more raising and so on. A great issue and so on. I didn't a jury. Sa evidence we mwanhwe adentina mwanye we ene ne guy kan so on there.
But this is the story I'm also seeing. As investigative journalist Remeyaw has secured a significant legal victory in the United States, winning an $18 million US defamation lawsuit against former Ghanaian member of parliament Asante Kennedy Japan. The verdict was delivered by jury in Excel County, New Jersey. The lawsuit filed on May 17, 2022. The County Superior Court accused Kennedy Japan and media personality Frederick Asamoah of making defamatory statements against Remeyaw during an episode of the Daddy Fred Show, an online program popular among Ghanaian audience in the United States. During the program, Kennedy Japan allegedly made a series of damaging and false claims, including accusing Anas of being criminal, a thief, responsible for murder of investigative journalist Ahmed Swale. So, fast forward, the court document highlighted several significant allegations made by Kennedy Japan, including false claiming that Anas has been convicted of crime in Ghana. That is crimes in Ghana. Accusing Anas of orchestrating Ahmed Swale's murder. Asserting that Anas was responsible for the death of multiple Chinese nationals in Ghana. Labeling Anas as a thief. This U.S. legal triumph came after a setback of Anas in Ghana, where he had an earlier pursued a defamation case against Kennedy Japan in 2018. Anas had sought a 25 million Ghana cedis in damage, citing defamatory material published by Kennedy Japan. However, Accra High Court ruled against Anas on March 15, 2023, citing that the investigative method reassembled investigative terrorism rather than legitimate journalism. It's said in our work, but the award $80 million anytime I read it, that's very particular way.
Sad piece way a propaganda.
I see.
The actual judgment in the bar. That's a judge, you know, a sustain. He say yes, Kokutia. Nothing who say judgment aba. What you say? Okay. It's a jury make a decision. Or no doesn't mean say it's a final judgment.
So oko on your online. I don't know, but I think, sir, I need a proper interpretation of this very particular story. Sir, investigative journalist Remeyaw has won an $80 million US defamation lawsuit against former Kennedy Japan. What does it mean?
From court to now, Anas Bijina Hona, you say, Adu Wachagum. Okay. Adu Bia Air publishing. What do you say, Ghana? So, dear, as I'm not to her. A man for enye here can say proper checks.
Yeah, sure.
Any ade.
Sure.
No ubia efa, no ubia efa. Any near kaika. So, but
I understand. To send your work, I say the last part of the story. I say meanwhile, the jury's ruling is yet to be approved, otherwise by the presiding judge.
So, what is the meaning of wa winning 80 million? Wa winning 80 million. So,
yes,
it is a final. You can say final judgment. You know. Na se judge ne tena se no ka se sa se mu nyina rodo se mu tino wa bogu a afi na ogina bia wa hifa so on dey no e jode ne dey let us see it say for now propaganda piece
sure
and enamu judgment no emaye the same case same words that was what you should know our superior courts here say what because based on the fact now defendant no present here any ade no asaba worker no it's not far from you can say right et you know what 2 months later no was sorry say o dey call US abrochi obunkonkodi eho no ma se boma say abrochi for there omo hwe crib omo no omo nim the way a niama esiko
omo ntitwi
eje twi no pese kra what we say echire na no yi Kennedy chire mu abi ehun say the juma no ye entrapment what you say
sure
because me ba kojo ho na se kojo ma me bribe a see edi ngomo
yeah sure
eti ne ma kan ye kojo aka e say obodi nyina de eti that dey enti na se me kaba ko oh me hia $10,000 na me de no abo de kojo kan de wo mo na fe wu na wo ma commentary on it what kind of business no eti comment na wo ma no ene na manfo otie na Hopeson kokwaje bribe and wo ye say but nkomodu mu nyina bibia di ho akojo kan ya dey e ba abonti
yeah
eti I don't know ye de kwanfa eti amanfo enka omakuma ento omuyem te say 30 days no beso na judge na tenase na chese wa ma the final verdict
okay
this. Eti for now no 3 days as a propaganda piece
Mati,
Anna in US so no. Once one demand share you down go to them all. What do get your money yin na? O yi na.
Yeah.
Etu okoko tira ho obi ehwe no say anase na ti hoyi. Eti ye krom ha say dey adentira. Amanfo say eh.
No, they not should those by money yeah.
Wa money yi bibia. E cha na share ko o yi bibia.
I see.
Eti no what you want. So no atwitwa picture dey abeto. No the picture be ba mu bo hu nanim.
Auntie Yonwa.
What's it?
Yonwa.
But some only pictures in the videos to beba from the court.
I see. Could you back on what's the man?
Yes, Mame.
Because there's an issue I want us to talk about.
No, so let me briefly. Briefly. So, first of all, for me, I'll differ from my brother, Hopeson.
Okay.
Near kind. Sad me akosi.
You are watching Kasapa
na
Media.
Hopeson ka say a jury ana etena ase.
Yeah.
Na jury no enye nipa baako. Ana etena ase a group of 8 ana etena ase.
Sure.
Okay. Oko US any baby a omo use jury for a trial. It is very difficult. Say jury ne betena ase na 8-member jury no aka say yehun ne say asam no ete say na ebe wi akire no judge no a oti adwam no ebeka say I differ from what the jury have said. What American
sure.
It is very difficult say ebesie. It as it stands now, the propensity and also the probability say ebesi say or judge ya say be oti adwam no eba beka say ebi an ne jury ne kan nya no kure no ebi a 1 out of 100.
Esi bebre US.
Oh, when Taisi.
Hey,
and you see, we share and
20 cases a what 12 for
no.
But that is when a unanimous decision.
No, who study the judicial of a US. It barely happens. Say a basis.
Yeah.
2. Adia Bakua, I was say a TSC and say, Ora Kennedy Japan. Allegations. And none didn't go a baby and the question is that allegations are has he been able to substantiate those allegations? First, I say Anas has been convicted for crime in Ghana. And is there evidence to show say Anas you are convicted for a crime, any crime whatsoever?
Yeah.
The answer is no. Enunti say ukotena fidie so na akokaka sansem yi na nsem a woka no wa wunim say nsem a woka no sabe enya no kore na nsem a woka no ye sabe ayakohura da sem a sabe na e patire say ye do kogina mrani mu a e wo so otimbe yi hu anu yi hu anu ye o say Anas is responsible for the killing of some Chinese nationals. And you see, Sanyama we kura no ebetimi deteriorate the relationship that exists between Ghana and the Chinese government.
Yeah.
Say Ghanaian Chinese nationals.
You are watching Kasapa Media.
It will deteriorate our relationship. And also, no, you are unable to produce or adduce any empirical evidence. That is it. Oh yes, I know I work as an na nya woka no enya no kore na wo ye den woka ebia o si Anas kuro ya anna nipa one ne ye adwuma ya fa na ameswale na wo akotena TV so akasa ameswale no mo che no amommo no mo che na mo ni nagu no wo si Anas ya woni ne ye adwuma no anna afa kwati kwan so akwakuku no and sanyama we na you were unable to substantiate man bia those days in about the 15th century na otewa efeno JSM also one cannot make an authoritative statement without adducing empirical evidence. As Jenny said, won't be in Casam Sisudia, Wabrekua Unia dance dear bia, or they tire some no echi. It's you reckon in Japan. The question is, Nana dance dear. Now this brings us back to our justice system here in Ghana. Look, as I mean in 2018, Anas Remeyaw the core Asenibia. We had judges in Ghana describing Anas Remeyaw with unprinted words. Omutimi kansam sabe yentimi fa entro entom ayen krata so e describe Anas Remeyaw Anas. Na sabe obi make very friend saying serious allegations say na nipa ne dia ba se monhwe na masem mame. Na nipa no de ba no sabe mohwe na mudi natam ana mo kan nsem wa sabe ensa na mfata etire sa nipa no a be de ne yanyatidie awo a justice system se ne obi ye obi bibi o de be ba court and no enti na me moving forward into this as my administration me I'll tell His Excellency John Dramani Mahama your justice system, just as we are saying, say we are going to reset Ghana no. Baby a journey baby a emma Ghana resetting Kosubiano. We need to reset it.
I see.
It is a justice system, no. If needs a resetter, it must be what? Resetted. Because you see, Ghana for bebre no an di to me as a yensa. Omo nya didie we mu. Enkofo ekro no mbebo ye Ghana for bebre no ahani mu say, sa enkofo no wo mo be gina mrani na mrani o mako ahye. Now if we don't reset the justice system we have in Ghana as it stands now, minia ebeye de pass enkofo a edi Ghana wu abo Ghana kroni. So
it brings me to a very sensitive issue, also on the in the 8th Parliament, the issue of Adorye Safua during the e-levy, passing of the e-levy. At a point, Nankofo created a lot of suspicion. Say, I personally interviewed her on radio, but then upon ne sema okikano. She wasn't part of Omomokotoaba at the past year level. So the question is, who was that lady? And Parliament, so far, what have they done about it? Dena Ombitmiya to bring clarity to that very particular issue. As to say Adorye Safua and I said Nenyo. And she also made mention of the fact to say, why a former leader pen, na say you are unko backbenchers, so far unko actually. But the adult leadership pair. But in this case, you had no actually Emma na said before, but no part the e-levy, the passage of the e-levy, and the two about signed the e-levy, no, she wasn't passed. But the same person is also saying, you say, now or on a net to Honomo. So who was that particular lady? So these are the two pictures.
It's a ocean pictures here.
The say, so who is that? Oh no, say no, you're not African na wawo fufuro. No, African na wawo fufuro.
Moma de say wo a ensesa. Ne ebe sesa your body no.
Yeah.
Ada say obe blow to kakra na say wa hu ne tie no.
Yeah, sure.
Na wadi mu de sense sense o hwe we mu ma na hwe we mu ma. The difference no. E clear. Other way watcha ne makeup kama. Omo mi ni na twa makeup.
Hwe kon no mu kra.
Aha. Wo de hwe omo kon kra so. Omo ni na twa makeup kama. Enso who's a difference kase pa wo. Wo ne tie no. Eti adene de Parliament. And say wo mutimi yenhwehwemu.
It's a very dangerous thing.
So mutimi yenhwehwemu. Na say ode de foreign for kra no ngwa akofo mo aba ya wo munye. Na say hu say enye sa say yetimi twen nkrofo aso. Kwan mo ene de no baye. The leadership at that time say Emirati mini omudi.
The leadership of is it
the then majority are no more pushing the 11.
Okay.
So because entimi mase.
But there was a speaker. There were marshals. There were parliament. They say ensure say you have the correct. So making sure say these people or your MP and all buy into the chamber.
Now, wababetna chamber no on sorry so bekasa. Better than speaker.
Beyond the speaker,
Wasashe nose mask.
Say what marshals were haunting.
Marshals na ada marshals wa obi a share nose mask ba. Obi
nose mask na is abranti.
That's what say you sure say we MP ampa. Say you sure say you
say oba wa kokko.
Na bi oba gra me ka say ebi gra na majority leader gra gitanisa. Me nka sa o. But ebia o gra nza no nenam. Ada o mo bonko mo no makwa wuram. Eti obeka ne say obede no aka say hey stop let me search you and say
it's a dangerous issue.
But the thing is that who say sad na course nyina no e fraudulent.
Yeah.
So eti say na nipa ni ho ani akwakofa obi a onso e oath say obeye adwuma magana obekipu bibia anam de ne baaye dia na ye serious issue.
Yeah.
Enti esese emra chese agencies are omuye responsible some be investigate side way no now nipa na nkasa ba be bie na no akasa no esese omutimi hwehwem so that one betima take serious measures against this enyesa ebeka ho anytime bia no obi abetima smoge obi awuram
exactly the point.
Omo ye. Eti no gwenuma entoho keke. Se speaker ante ya moma nente se mame na kasa eye video. Enye here say wakoka okukuo bi mu na me ba beka. Eye video ewo ho no.
Me mom de Godwin Mr. Obetumi a check it. There were the two videos.
Yes.
The one interview her and the other one
that time pressure na da no so ni ade no won't me make us enyo no afi no ade no
I didn't know
eh akufo ado aban
no because I mean it was obvious to say they were not going to allow her to contest or to win power again.
Na da enyo man dey share no omukoko man kokko lusu primaries no portals so on there no eti adene de me I will call for the law enforcement agencies you know say omo enye speaker and direct no munye sa can say investigations you know because parliament ewo videos no ho
yeah
I mean from 1992 me sure say all the sittings opa ubenya eti they should be able to analyze it and make sure or more established. You see, what would you say? And you're not the better now. They know, but that time NDC minority, they are then away. You are not in charge of the nation. You cannot even direct say.
But is it also possible, say, I just have for me to me a direct say, or more you should be at the Ashen and to meet me a much deeper corona.
What me? Why not? What me?
Yeah.
So no dey me say investigation shasia. Some no so me frɛ no. One thing afie. Ni ya question o, ya the videos no ato ho two pictures ne dey ato ho. Ni e wo hin na ye wo. Me ka kire o mo say ni mienu nyina eye mia. Then they take it from there. Anameboa. Pictures ya mo de to ayi so yi. Ya bisa emu ni hin na ye wo a. Etu appoint and so ka say ni mienu nyina ye wo a. Then they take it from there.
Yeah, sure.
Because apart from the parliament, you know, time I will ban it, time I will yet TikTok, who are brutally near the day, no afufrodina, a home pictures in there where you are. At your back training, I know with the asala. Me, I shall say, I didn't know win quadia. A year different as a work. Oh, my flat to a hundred and I said, oh, Mumma Swa. Oh, come, a move and what you track, come. I didn't know where the economy at here. Near Bisa, no watch. It is a watch, that's a what you convince you of one. What for what you know? What you say? What one say, oh, that way there, Debbie, and Yemia, and ye do be a cocoa share by night. No boom, me buy you. Pressure see me soon, you know. Mean to me, Mamma, I say, Yemia. Any idea? Not just one young who saw now. And yes, our party, this case, I don't think, says Speaker Babin. Because on one day speaker, what you want.
Yes, and that is. And that brings me to the fact to say, I hear the credibility issue will be at stake.
That's right.
I mean,
the whole parliament, and just say, the whole parliament.
Yeah, I mean,
because if it's established, say, hey, your TV will be a rapper, and if a country bay, and that's how did the basic.
That's
right. That's right. That is and I'm saying, one, yeah. Look, NDC is in majority.
Yeah, sure.
They be a woman crop for say, you be any honor near here, any public, no be a more muscle. The best match I got your nose muscle.
That's an empty pattern.
Oh, that's match I nose muscle.
I had to make up one.
Yeah, man, but I don't want to
Ah, it's all. Maybe party who say, no, I won't do it.
Party, yes, go.
No, I won't do it. Everything else of where
but at that point,
and then Rusu now, Gazano. But as I said to me, Cabus Adeno, I just say, and happy beam. Say, and happy beam one, dear Jenny, Beya, and happy beam. As I said, yet to be film, not yet 20 passo, a woman. Or don't know, dear, a bit to me, Abanaco. And what here the interview now? What you say? Just a pour out, yeah, so any other. What was a new Tiao, Ankasa, and the Chisama Wigina, Etimaco, so Bakaya, Walkasa Munzunu. Yes, and as a near Tuaka, 1 year now in your honor. Was it a get ready near the money or her son? Or her children? What am I actually? Obia. That was your minister, your Tuaka, and yes, you take oversight responsibility or honor. Na yetimi disa minister ne sikasa account ho dia ani omo hwehwem say no kra say no kra dia na serious
thing say the 8th parliament ni be bre na sisi ye so be kai a Yerokojokum no ye minister for chieftaincy Hunter West the same ye levy ade ya ye need ambulance move fit akra de eba beto our country called Ghana.
Yeah, my catcher say, you buy a baby, live your free.
Could you have been true on this issue? Also, worry.
Oh, man,
okay, yes.
You see, Ghana and Sanwa, you be about to do a movement. If you pay my hand, could your economy, not a military, a governance, and
sure.
And you know, you say, you be back on the door a movement. Na ododo amamuomu no a ye bae se usua political science a ye frɛ bibi eye consolidating our democracy and ye frɛ bibi eye the 210 over test as a kyerɛ ne se se ka se ya consolidate democracy a ya mayen ododo amamuo ka bi ma menka bi amamuo no se bi atintim yi ye ka 210 over test so ye kyerɛ se political parties, major political parties in the way court na we are then aba we court na we aba we court na we ba saa de no na boa ama ye consolidation ye then edi mu yi democracy no ejina yi enu nti o hwe saa de a ekọ so e parliament emra na yesi ye ko pass eye E11 no a dunia I'll describe it in about 6 different kinds of words ye di kind. Said no man penny John Dramani Mahama can say these people criminally managed the economy. What they did was a criminal act.
But so you established that?
No, it's criminal. I mean, it was a criminal act. It was treachery. It was wickedness. It was an utter disgrace to a parliament. Again, it was an affront to our very democracy. you see ye protect it. And baby ye no look I was say 1 year yes adie no ye bisa ni ehunu 1 year yes adie no we have to know
the leadership of the party
we need to
should
know. And you see, now maybe it must not be restricted to even the leadership of MPP. Leadership of MPP, they no say all of them they knew. They sat in a room, planned this, them, a dream bonny way, and so now it is the responsibility of Parliament to make sure say 1 year was Shasia Masadi way course so Obia ye di hun komokeke o twa mu afa na som kra no e wo se frɛ no na mmara ne ye den edi ye to so mienu. I was set and
let me remind you on this. Okay, I think about almost a month or 2 ago. Zenato started to say more debate there, then almost started to say daughter of a Medra. So now,
no, but I speaker, I can say Nipano Omano a certain number of hours. Only know what yes, will fish the person out. Until what it means, they say. May assure say processes are ongoing
just
to make
about
sure
8
say,
days.
Processes are ongoing to make sure say they fish out.
How can you just Parliament? Why are we reducing Parliament to this level?
That is why I'm saying say it is an utter disgrace to our Parliament, to the Parliament of Ghana. And unti ana me didi say we say enhwehwemu ya den ekoso. Uye no to nchan ya. Adwoa Safo anu ankasa herself must be allowed to answer questions. They will say your money be yin sembi ano. If it's a say only a interview.
Yes, I have.
To say na ayo no Adwoa Safo anu na what ho. Say o say ono na net wo na ne o say wa ni hu dwuma bia eye 11 year pass say no she never got involved. Enye na asembisa wo ho a wo say ye bisa no di anu ye den odeba.
Yeah.
Ye to so bio. E wo say obia ye be find out say or you're involved in this criminally minded act no sa nipa no o se de gina mranim na mrane ne ye den ekose ebio nipa no a wono de wonya akukuduro e ka se menya parliamentarian nipa no a wonya akukuduro e ka se me de mefa nose mask ahye na me yoba se be yanye me bosome enkron ne yawome na wo ba betena parliament house ho na wo impersonate Adwoa Safo ano so no Sanipano, we have to uncover who that person is. Now the person must face the full rigors of the law. Because he I'm sure that young kwama be obi oye speaker ye ba kofa obi foforo ne de na babet na say speaker bagment we ni afa kojo dankwa ni ahye me che ni ahye me goggles ni ahye me eye nose mask ni de me abet na ho e makeup kakra ni ese me ye abansuma no babet na nipa no be ye ni a bi o mind be ko den o sayim ya nhwe yi adachi bi omampanyin na oyemampanyin ne kura no amanfo omampanyin ada no amanfo betimi ahye obi atade te so omampanyin amanfo betimi aye obi makeup te so omampanyin na waba na se se yenche eye bema bi owo Ghana fa ne to prison na koba ne sa me ne umie no se ba ko da prison wo bereko anyo omampanyin na aye den aka look sasemo ya asemo a eni ho kwan se o manga na ni babia atena seka se da bia nyahwe sa anyahwe no must be a thing of the past because he live your mba pass ye and your how amani hunu kodanna any onyene ohia buburo na de beto Ghana for eye adwadifo so de beto Ghana for eye woni a wo omani mo so na de a de ohia e beto Ghana for so na mo fa kwati kwan so e de sa de we beto Ghana for so a na chese mo ne Ghana for anya dai eni ni yi na chese mo amu Ghana for na chese Ghana for no asabe ye to oba ma mo no sabe mu hu yen se sebe me pacho mo fa ncha me ye nkwase afo chese Ghana for ye nim sabe ye nim nyansa se mutimi ekofa obi na mo de na ba betena ho se oyaso masi wo breko a onya so masi na Adwoa Safo a adenti na watena se all this while MPP what power when to me am kasa asem na enne afei na wo ba kasa asem she herself must be punished. She herself must be punished. And for the fact to say otimi be ka say oh ye mea na enne wa be ka say enyo no ano e wo se mra ene ne ye den ene ne di if you say wahwe you see ene fe no ukọ eye embramu a ye say condone na bet no say
yeah
because you know say anipa ye de ne ko ye no onye wa it's identity na aka wanu tum na ye hwe mani pa ne kwatena ase ahwe me ya pass levy na de how ani amane hunu e de abeto Ghana for so levy ninti sabe obi maami wuyo
Oba say Ghana we've gone beyond that.
Obi yare yo.
Yes, but
levy ninti enya ma obi adwuma eden agu levy no ama obi adwuma eden ahwe no.
Yeah, that's true. And ma Ghana for kasa ya.
And ma ye kasa ya. And na ba bi e yadru no enokora na ba ye den abedadi. And enokora na nya abedadi no. Nipa or yes ade no e was mra and
I can just about some few minutes now. Yes, sorry, so but quick one meaning the also the appointment of the security couples now. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama over the weekend means say Benuma starting me mama different commentaries near there, but you be call no but quick one I know say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama were ye the national security coordinator, but Onya appointed regional security coordinators. But party faithfuls phobia started assuming that positions as regional security coordinators.
We're from liaison officers.
Ama omo EUSU office no e the abuse system no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said Galamsey site biya no should be hotter than Amboa. Onim says see ya sankofo ni bi ne ehwe ama mo aye Galamsey in various regions.
Good.
Especially in the Asante region.
The National Security Coordinator. The national.
Yes.
Onu free ho obia liaison officer. Untimi fa coordinator and to sani pa. We are talking about regional liaison officers.
Yeah.
Menim say ombeye.
Sure.
No na president you coordinator ni wia.
So munya appoint here. Meanwhile, before be 4 or 5 and the list akọ.
Coordinator na be no.
Yeah, sure.
Na I don't know so we are. Unim say security issues. And they say oko amount for background. Jim say enche. Some microphone nyina will be in place.
You are watching Kasapa Media.